So guys, may natanggap tayo something over from our friends at Digital Walker. And alam niyo na ano yun. And it's the Marshall Major 4. And ito yung pinaka-latest nila, no? From their Major series. And before, nakapag-review tayo ng Major 3. And of course, what follows after Major 3? Siyempre, Major 4. So tara, unbox muna natin si Marshall Major 4. So hi guys, ako nga pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and nakita na natin na unbox na natin ang Marshall Major 4. And nakita natin dito, very nice sa kanyang design, no? Medyo hawig lang siya ni Marshall Major 3 pero there are several key features na in-upgrade niya over na Major 3. Yung pinaka-biggest jump niya is from 30 plus hours of playback time to 80 hours of playback time. Take note guys, it's 80 hours of playback time. Grabe, ang dami nun ah. Imagine mo, magsawa ka sa music at may battery pa rin ang Marshall Major 4 natin. So right now, itatry natin. And of course, before that, banggitin ko muna sa inyo ang mga key features nitong si Major 4. So itong si Major 4, meron siyang Bluetooth 5.0 and of course, up to 80 hours of playback time. Then yung control knob niya is of course the same almost from the Major 3. Then pwede ka mag-share ng audio with someone else. Ikakabit mo lang ang kanyang earphone over dito sa Major 4 mo at makapag-share ka na ng audio. Then next is the wireless charging. Then yung ergonomic fit niya sa tenga is something that I really like. And meron din siya 40mm na dynamic drivers and of course yung kanyang collapsible design. Ako, I've always been a fan of wired na headphones, no? And this one. So once nang kinabit ko tong Marshall Major 4 sa aking tenga, first things first, masasabi ko sa inyo, it's very isolated. Yung sound niya halos wala na akong masyadong marinig from the outside world. Ang kanyang isolation is definitely very, very good. So, ikakabit natin ito sa aking smartphone. So right now, ikakabit ko siya sa aking smartphone and magpapatugtog tayo ng mga music. And tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda ang music naman dito sa Marshall Major 4. Is it better from the Major 3? Tara, subukan natin. So, ang dami ko na pinatugtog, no, na music over dito sa Major 4. And masasabi ko sa inyo, no, first things first, very, very clear ang kanyang sound. So, very, very crisp. And what I like about this one is yung hindi siya nakaka-irritate pag tumatagal na siya yung tenga. There are some headphones na pag tumagal ka roughly mga 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, mafe-feel mo parang init na, nangangatin yung tenga mo, but not this one. I've been wearing this for quite some time already and nagagamit ko siya for live streaming, nagagamit ko siya for music tripping, panonood ako ng Netflix, gamit ko rin siya. And ang ganda sa kanya, no, adjustable din ang kanyang itong band, no. So, gusto ko medyo hindi masyado masikip, luluwagan ko. Kung gusto ko siya medyo mas masikip konti, mas tight fit, ihigpitan ko lang siya ng konti. And ito, naglalaro din ako ng some games, no, over sa aking mga smartphone. So, tinry ko rin ang kanyang Bluetooth, no. And masasabi ko yung latency niya is not bad. As far as I'm concerned, no, hindi naman siya naglalag kung naglalaro ako. And yung mga sounds and mga gunshot from the Call of Duty, which is one of my favorite games, okay naman siya. Masasabi ko sa inyo, yung mga rat-rat, talagang on time naman yung mga gunshot, no. Hindi siya yung naputok mo na, bago tutunog sa headphones, so yun, delayed. So, masasabi ko sa inyo, hindi naman delayed ang mga sounds dito sa Marshall Major 4. So, as far as I'm concerned, yung Bluetooth connectivity niya over sa smartphone when playing games is good. So, na-try ko siya sa OnePlus Nord N10, na-try ko rin siya sa Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and na-try ko rin siya Mi 10 Ultra ni Xiaomi. As far as I'm playing and habang nag-enjoy ng game, masasabi ko, hindi naman siya napuputol. Well, at the very least, no? So, sa premium ng headphones na to, kung naputol, ewan ko na. Ewan ko na. Pero, one thing that I can be proud of is magandang kanyang connection over sa wireless, sa Bluetooth, no? Pero of course, syempre, if hindi ka kontento sa Bluetooth, you can always opt for wired connection just like me. Pero of course, syempre, pag nasa labas ka, you don't really want these wires dangling over pag naglalaro ka. Let's say, nasa public ka, you don't want these wires na nakakabit sa'yo, no, habang naglalaro ka. You want it wirelessly, and of course, sabi ko nga sa inyo, over 80 hours of playback time. More than enough. 3 araw, 4 na araw. Grabe. Kayang-kaya niya, no? And of course, what's nice about this one, you can charge it using your USB Type-C cable. Saksakin mo sa power bank mo. Anytime, anywhere, you can charge it with ease. So, tinry ko rin siya for music tripping, no? So, naghanap ako ng mga music na mababa ang bass, and naghanap din ng konting music na maganda ang mataas yung treble. Masasabi ko sa inyo, hindi naman siya sobrang taas na kaya na hit sa treble. Meron din siya certain limitation, no? Pero pagdating sa bass, masasabi ko sa inyo, okay, yumuyug tong headphones ko, no? When I'm listening to yung mga low bass na music, and definitely, ma-enjoy mo siya, no, when you're using this Marshall Major 4. When you're listening to mga favorite music mo, and of course, when you're enjoying watching some music video, and of course, watching Netflix, favorite natin lahat, watching YouTube. Kung maganda ang audio ng source, maganda rin i-playback dito sa Marshall Major 4. So guys, nabigay ko na sa inyo ang aking takeover dito sa Marshall Major 4. So, as far as I'm concerned, tinry ko naman siya gamitin. 80 hours, I guess, more than 80 hours, no, sa aking usage, using the wired one. And of course, using the Bluetooth, I think less than 80 hours, no. Depending naman sa usage ng tao, hindi ko naman masabi, no. Hindi naman pare-pareho ang usage natin. So, better is lagi kang naka-fully charged. For mga road trips mo, for 2 to 3 days, I guess, hindi mo na kailangan i-charge. Okay, wala problema yan. Pero if you're going for 2 weeks na trip to other countries, bitbit mo to, I guess you should really bring on your power bank. So guys, I'll post the link below kung saan ko nabili itong Marshall Major 4, and want to thank my friends over from Digital Walker for letting me try these awesome headphones from Marshall, the Marshall Major 4. And masasabi ko sa inyo guys, it's a big step up from the Marshall Major 3, especially the playback time. And yung comfort niya, I can say na parang better, no? Mas hindi siya irritable sa ears. Though yung Marshall Major 3 is still good, pero this is definitely better. So guys, nabigay ko na sa inyo ang aking takeover dito sa Marshall Major 4. So, as far as I'm concerned, tinry ko naman siya gamitin. 80 hours, I guess, more than 80 hours though sa aking usage using the wired one. And of course, using the Bluetooth, I think less than 80 hours, no? Depending naman sa usage ng tao, hindi ko naman masabi, no? Hindi naman pare-pareho ang usage natin. So, better is lagi kang naka-fully charged. For mga road trips mo, for 2 to 3 days, I guess, hindi mo na kailangan i-charge. Okay, wala problema yan. Pero if you're going for 2 weeks na trip to other countries, bitbit mo to, I guess you should really bring on your power bank. So guys, I'll post the link below kung saan ko nabili itong Marshall Major 4 and want to thank my friends over from Digital Walker for letting me try these awesome headphones from Marshall, the Marshall Major 4. And masasabi ko sa inyo guys, it's a big step up from the Marshall Major 3, especially the playback time. And yung comfort niya, I can say na parang better, no? Mas hindi siya irritable sa ears. Though yung Marshall Major 3 is still good, pero this is definitely better. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course. Click that bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews dito sa aking channel. So I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye!